Okay, so I'm coming. So as I was saying, okay, somebody said I have a question. So what question do you have, Oncho?
This last wave.
Which wave is that?
Last wave, yes, on Friday.
Okay, let me check.
Every money transfer.
I'm coming on Friday. I'm coming.
Was it on Friday or Thursday?
This one?
Oh, no.
Huh?
No, yeah. To the left. It's not on Friday. Maybe Wednesday or so.
This one?
To the left, this one on the left. Just one.
This one?
Yeah, exactly. Yes. There's the money transfer there before this low was taken.
Yeah, okay, yeah. What I was explaining, yeah, this is a perfect example for it. So you can see this guy now, if you actually think probably they need to mitigate this guy. Once we see all these things there, we are going to get there, right? There's something I call fresh POI, which is not also tradable. And there's a POI. So when we get there, actually, we'll cross it. But as for this one, on the knobs, yeah, they are supposed to come to this breaker block to sell off, but they did not, which means it is because of this external liquidity. They took this guy, then boom. After taking it, then they shaped character, then they sell off. So selling off now, this guy, this is a mitigation. It did not take care of any liquidity. This one take care of liquidity, cool, correct. But this one only mitigated, which means I'm not just going to trade it blindly. So which is why anybody that I just say, once this market break a new structure, how can I explain this now? How can I explain this? I'm coming. Oh, good. I've gotten what I want to say. So now look at this. This guy, what is this guy purpose? It is to create a new low. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But after this guy took out this liquidity right here, did it create a new low? No. This guy did not break this low. Right?
Yes.
Now, not breaking that low, that means the purpose of this move is not complete yet. Because whenever we have external liquidity, market needs to clear it and create a new low. So for the market to get here, get close to creating a new low, then coming back, that simply means this one has not even fulfilled its own purpose too yet. So now, market came back, mitigated this protected high, then dropped until here, that created a new low. Now that I created a new low, what do you now notice? The market did not just sell from a random order flow. It has to come. It took out this A, B, and C. So that is what I explained when I was explaining there, to create a new money transfer origin. So creating a new money transfer. So now look at this. Look at this closely now. You can see this fair value gap, guys, at this money transfer here. Huh? So this guy, it is the main supply that the market is supposed to come back to after breaking this structure to sell. But like I said, even because this guy is the main supply, that does not mean other things that make sense is not also tradable, which is why you can see the market took out this external liquidity, then take out Asian high, boom, mitigate this guy. Then after that, they took care of this one, they mitigate it, which means they created a momentum right here and distance, which are all these several mitigations. But after the market create this whole build-up, which does not mean all these ones too, they are not tradable. They are extremely tradable. You can't hear, okay? Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Check your
yes,
network. Check your network. So all these things here, sorry. all these things here is just momentum and distance, like I explained. So they came back to fill this gap that was ignored. You can see, back to this guy right here, then create the real push. So which means even though I am trading this guy, I know reason why I am trading it. But I know that in the long run, all these are range structures that would eventually get cleared. And that is why the market started a new money transfer to the bullish side, then boom, mitigate, then it expand, explode to the downside. Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah, got it.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So over and over and over again, like look at this one too. I'm coming. Look at this one too. We have this guy, because this was where I stopped. We have this guy that we're anticipating that market needs to come back to. But look at this. Market creating break construction 1, break construction 2. But it still broke the structure back to the downside. So breaking the structure back to the downside, it shows that for the market to now break below this, there must be a very strong force coming from here. So even though they have not getting here, but we can now see that market is now creating what? They mitigated this guy, fine. We have an ABC right here. They took it out, they mitigate it. That is a sell for me. They mitigate it again right here. That is another sell for me. So now this guy took out this whole structure. We have an incomplete pullback right here. They took it out right here, boom. They keep flowing. Even though I know that this is where I was expecting price to come to, but expectation is nothing to compare to what? To reality. So all these things are just expectation. It has nothing to do with what the price action is actually telling you. If you explain why the strong low failed. Are you trying to ask a question?
No, I'm getting it.
Let me fall. So
I think
it's just the main thing. So does anybody have more questions? Because like the whole breakdown we're trying to do, I like the question that you guys have been using your questions to answer the whole thing. Even though, okay, so now let me even clear this. I'm coming.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm with you, bro.
Yeah, so actually, a question, but not in this chart. It is of BTC USDT. Can you open that one for me, and can I clear my doubt over there?
Come again with your question. Come again with your question. Come again with your question.
Okay, will I say it again?
Yeah?
Yeah, okay. So my actual question is, can you open the chart BTC USDT or USD BTC USD?
The BTC.
Because the question is based on price action, so I need to show you the price action, or
Okay.
will I send the picture?
It's loading up. Okay.
Yeah. So Binance, do it for Binance. Okay,
The Binance.
it is the best. Yeah.
Network is actually slow. I'm trying to load it up now.
No problem, no problem. But can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you properly.
Okay, that.
What's going on? Oh, I'm coming. So what price action, please?
Yeah, now just move a little bit side.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, there's the chart.
Yeah, so you can see there is a good mitigation of money transfer continuously, and I am currently on a short. But the thing is, I am on a short over of this price action. Okay, let me mark. Can I mark it?
Yeah, you can mark.
So, from where to mark? Yeah, wait, I'm marking.
I'm not seeing your drawings yet.
Yeah. So I was shorting from here as the money transfer from this area. So it was coming very good. Price took this area as liquidity. See, price took this area as liquidity, but it's reversing all above. I do not understand why, because there is a complete mitigation and price, and there is a ABC move. So price used to took this liquidity out. I was targeting this liquidity.
Okay,
Oh, sorry,
here is it.
sorry,
Yeah?
sorry.
Number one, let me
Wait,
tell you the mistake you made. The question is,
let me read it.
I hope everybody get the question, because the question is actually a very nice question.
This is the liquidity area.
Yeah. Just wait. I would. Okay. Okay. Others didn't get the question. I'm coming. What is this BTC chart like? What the fuck is this chart?
Yeah, it is a little bit messed up. Oh, something like that.
No, don't worry.
I generally,
Like I
I
really
generally
want
do not
to
trade.
answer to it because now my network is really messing up. But I really want to
Yeah,
give an answer to this. Okay, I think. Okay. So now you said you thought this was a money transfer. I'm coming. Ah, fuck. Money transfer, then
okay.
you were shorting
Will I
from
send
here.
you?
You said you are shorting from here
Yeah. I was shorting
because
from
of
this
this
area.
other block, right?
Not for the other block, because I saw money transfer, because see, there is a liquidity grab. Wait,
Okay.
there's a liquidity grab, this one,
Okay.
and price came all the way, creating an imbalance. And you told in the last video that if there is an imbalance, price
Yeah, this is the problem here. The
will
problem we have here is this.
come and
The problem we have here is this. Look at this guy. Ah, fuck. What's wrong with this network all of a sudden? Can you guys hear me?
yeah, I can hear you, but it's lagging, I think, from your side, maybe.
Can you guys hear me, please? Can others hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, boss.
Okay. So now, this is the catch here. We have this guy
Yes.
broke structure right here. So this is the
Yeah.
first structure point. So which means my trading range is from this high
To this low.
to whatever low as at this moment. But why I say whatever low is this? Since when this external liquidity has been taken, in this whole range, is there anything like a money transfer here? Everything I'm seeing here is order flow. Everything is just mitigating. Nothing takes out an external liquidity and breaks structure in this whole range. And this thing, what the fuck is this? I actually love this question, but this network is really pissing me off. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, now, I'm asking you a question. Does anything around here, from this guy to this guy, yet look like a money transfer with the explanation of money transfer that I did? Does anything here look like a money transfer?
So from where to where?
from this guy, my arrow, to this guy.
The arrow is lagging actually. I cannot see properly. If you can mark with anything.
I'm trying to mark, but my network is lagging here.
Okay. No problem. I can wait.
Am I not recording? I'm recording already now.
Yes, we are recording.
I'm recording already. So this is what I mean. I'm trying to clear this drawing. So I can.
Will I send you will I send you my picture?
I know your picture, don't worry. I know what you're saying. It's my network that is doing this thing down now. Okay, let me start over again. I said, this guy took out this eye, good, then break structure.
Break structure, yeah.
This mitigation is what? A breaker mitigation, right? Or a violation block mitigation. Because this guy is the man that is supposed to buy.
Exactly.
So it's mitigated, then a new structure happened.
And then, yeah.
Now that we have a new structure, there is something about breaker block, right? Which is when market is coming like this. If we have gotten to other block, I will have explained this. But let me just brief it a little bit because this network is not doing well for me at all. So now market reacted from this guy a little bit. I'm coming. The meaning with network here, I don't know if not the broker. Because this lagging is annoying. So now, market got here, then break. If this guy is a breaker, I can't have the best of this class. The network is so fucked up right now for no reason.
So can you explain this one on the next class if the network is issue?
Yeah, sure. Actually, all this thing is what I would explain eventually, but I just want to like summarize it now a little bit. Because now,
yeah, you can summarize.
If this guy is a breaker block now, the mitigation of it now, this mitigation, anything below this breaker mitigation is weak because breaker mitigation is most likely to be a creation of a new liquidity. The origin of breaker mitigation is always a liquidity creation. So which means when this guy mitigated this breaker block right here, when he mitigated it right there, this I, before I would sell anything major sell, that mitigation of this breaker needs to be cleared. It needs to be cleared. Because
how did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did you understand that it's a breaker? Because I think you are telling me this is a breaker. This one.
Yeah.
How it's a breaker?
I don't actually use the word. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
You won't understand. You won't understand on this 15 minutes time frame. If you go to 5-minute time frame, the breaker will show very well. That's what is confusing him. He just thinks it's a normal pullback and a drop. You didn't know that it's actually a breaker. If you go to 5 or 3 minutes,
how is a
you will see
breaker?
it
Yeah,
clearly.
that's my question.
I'm coming. No, I have to go to a more higher time frame.
Okay.
Let's go to like 30 minutes. Now, this network actually, they fuck me up right now because it's making this thing slow and boring.
I think the network will be based on the broker.
Okay, it might be the broker sometimes.
I think the confusion about why he's asking you guys the breaker is because you're actually calling the violation block a breaker. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah, it's actually a violation block, but I'm trying to explain something randomly. You know, I don't use the word violation. I don't use breaker block.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's because of what I'm trying to explain. we are actually going to get there. Me too, I don't use the word breaker, I use violation block. But do you know what, bro? Once we get here, you would understand it clearly. But what I will tell you is, when a market mitigates a violation block, that mitigation, anything that happens below it, I'm not interested. Not until that mitigation of that violation block is being cleared, or a new money transfer started below it. That's when I can start to engage. But anything after that, I'm not interested.
Okay. So when you are going to explain the violation block, I think I will understand this easily.
You would understand everything when I start to talk about other block.
Oh, okay.
So this coming week, starting from Tuesday, as usual, things will be going. We'll be talking about liquidity. Then after liquidity, supply and demand. So after supply and demand, we'll go to other block. So you would understand the whole thing by then.
Okay.
So you understand liquidity, what liquidity actually really means. Not just when the market is consolidating and it got clear, that is liquidity. No.
Okay.
So this network has actually bought me already. I don't know. Probably it's the broker that is making it lag, because the price is moving perfectly, but annotation is lagging. I don't know why.
Yeah. But bro, one thing is that your explanation are super. Means I haven't got any good mentor like this who gives clarity of the market. You can't imagine. I'm trading from day one when I joined your mentorship. This is something, way more good. Thank you for everything, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, I got you, brother. I got you. So I'm really sorry for this network, guys, because now I can't even go further now, because when I draw a line, it takes like 3 seconds before it comes to life. So I can't explain properly like that. And we might miss out on a very good information that will be dropping. So, but I guess I'm able to explain all these few breakdowns to you and clear some questions, guys. Even though this second batch should have been so great, but this network has fucked us up right now.
I think maybe we should go back. Maybe we should go back to EU. Hopefully, it's going to be better.
Yeah. Because network can be so frustrating, I swear. See now, I've clicked EU. See it's just blank.
Maybe if you try it now, maybe.
But yeah, let me try to annotate now. I've annotated like this. So.
On the network is bad.
You can see I've drawn something already. So it's just coming up. So guys, we actually have to call it a day. Then probably I would do you guys a favor. You guys should just stay active. I can just up you guys to try to be available same time tomorrow, just to make it up with you guys.
Okay.
The session will not be long, actually, just for me to answer that question properly. So same time tomorrow. On the notes, we're not supposed to have session tomorrow, but because of this question, I would come live tomorrow, then answer the questions and any other question. Because I want us to be clear with few doubts before we move, because on Tuesday we are going to more advanced stuff. So is that okay?
Please, when are we doing money transfer? I think that is what's making me not understand most of this stuff generally.
Don't worry. It's your questions that are taking me back, basically. That's actually making me go too fast. It's your questions. I don't want to be ignoring you guys' questions.
I don't know. Sorry, I don't mean to cut you short. In order to make us move the way the syllabus was supposed to go, I had some questions, but in the course of the lectures, they have been answered. Might I suggest that anyone that has questions should just keep noting their questions down? And
that is the thing, basically, because eventually the next lesson might answer your question. It will actually.
I don't know if that will be better. Then probably if whenever a topic is being treated and they answer your question, then you move it to the next class and maybe we'll do answering of
And
questions.
we are actually going to decide. Let's communicate that
Let's
via
rub
chat.
minds together. Make
Yeah,
things
let's
move
communicate
smoothly.
that via chat. So we can actually have a smooth, because I won't like to ignore you guys' question to look like you get. I don't want anybody's problem. So that's why I'm trying my best to answer everybody's question. But even though it's taking me too fast, like I have to be
Yeah.
and all. And it's supposed to be arranged so it will be easy for you guys to watch the video and understand.
Please,
So,
let's just follow the same rules and
so
anyone that
we
has
should discuss that in the group. So whatever you guys say, it's all about you guys, not even all about me. So whatever you guys conclude, I'm cool with it. But eventually, none of your question will be left unattended to. That's the thing. Because everything that you guys are asking about, most people that are asking all these fast questions are people that are already, they are not novice. So they are
not new
asking
people.
questions that is their problem. You understand?
Their questions.
So they are not actually considering those other people that are still new, that are enjoying it as it's flowing like that. So, but we are eventually going to get to that your own stage too. You get? So let's try our best to just stay chilled. You can ask any question pertaining the immediate topic that I'm talking about. Not trying to go too far. But you can just write it down somewhere so you won't forget. So eventually, if something that I later say explained it, then you know that, okay, this question is clear until this one. Do you get my point, guys?
Got it.
Okay, so tomorrow, same time, you guys should update it for somebody. I will write it in the group actually. So I'll be able to answer this particular question because I don't really like it. Because you have actually asked it, you actually deserve an answer. Or I will do it like this. I will just probably in my leisure time tomorrow, I will screen record and break it down for you guys, and I'll send you guys the recording. I guess that would make sense too, right?
It's still fun. Yeah, that one is still fun.
I think that would be great.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that is better
so
because
then,
that way you're able to easily say everything you need to say smoothly, then just send it over.
So I won't be actually have to be, because I know when I come live again, you people will ask me a question. So that's that about that, guys. So thank you, guys.
Please come live, please.
We'll discuss that in the chat. I mean, let's discuss that. Okay, so thank you for having you guys. So let's discuss whatever is going to be on the chat. So everybody's going to be fine.